In our current business landscape, it's incredibly difficult to assess, adjust, and progress to stand out from competitors. With greater market pressures, ever-changing competitive elements, and the challenges brought on by technological innovation, cultural shifts, and a global marketplace, companies that look to stay relevant begin asking, is it time for us to embark on a digital transformation? Or should we be thinking about a business transformation? We're here to discuss the differences between digital and business transformations and why it's important to determine how best to approach this major initiative from the very onset of planning. Let's start with a simple definition for each. Digital transformation is a process of using digital technologies to create new or modify existing business processes, culture, and customer experiences to meet the changing business and market requirements. Whereas business transformation is a change management strategy that aligns people, processes, and technology to the organization's core business objectives and future vision. While a business transformation typically focuses on the core business strategies and go-to-market models, digital transformation brings initiatives and technologies to support those efforts. At Ultra, we aren't as interested in the latest trends as we are with making sure your business is the strongest, most efficient, and effective goals-driven, process-enabled, and technology-equipped organization possible. Other consultants typically gather a list of functions that you want your new ERP to be able to do, features that will make your current processes easier. This is known as requirements gathering, and at first pass, it seems like the perfect way to determine what you want. The consultant typically requests a list of pain points from you, such as, we don't want Barbara from accounting to have to manually input paycheck data, or we need to know which machines need servicing so we can schedule around them. Then, the consultant will also look at your current systems and business operations and determine what ERP features are needed by your type of business. The Ultra Way is different because a digital transformation initiative is the perfect time to assess the efficiencies of your business processes. We always start with the Complete Business Process Improvement Project, or BPI. After all, it would be ridiculous to acquire new technology that simply accelerates bad processes. The BPI project consists of answering these 3 questions. Where are we now? In which we map out all your business processes for a current state analysis. Then, what is possible? In which we advise in current proven best practices and best fit technologies. And then finally, where do we need to be? In which we help define what's possible in a future state. It is this fully defined future state that serves as the blueprint to guide the selection process for all new technology. In this way, we're able to tailor the technology search to align with business goals rather than just to fix known problems. The adoption of integrated technologies throughout manufacturing plants and distribution facilities has created a systemic shift in efficiencies and provided a richer, more dynamic and transparent customer experience, while giving unprecedented competitive advantages to organizations that adopt them. To have the most successful digital transformation, we recommend this critical activity. Define, articulate, and understand key objectives from C-suite level executives. When everyone from upper management to the shop floor understands the vision and where the business can go, the entire organization can get behind the new digital transformation aspirations. And when we too understand your future state goals, we can better guide your organization to find the best fit ERP and related technologies that perfectly enable your vision. Because that's why we take your company on a journey of business process improvement in the first place, to give you a process that enables your organization to thrive. The way we see it, a digital transformation shouldn't just be used as a way to digitize or add technology to your current business processes. Instead, true digital transformation should be the impetus to drive fundamental organizational change by future-proofing your company in technology, structure, processes, and strategy, leading to a greater profitability and wider opportunities. This is business transformation, and that's the Ultra Way. At Ultra Consultants, we've helped hundreds of manufacturing and distribution companies like yours find the best ERP solution for them. And we stick around to ensure the expected gains in profitability are realized too. With Ultra on your side, you're empowered to gain the tools you need to drive efficiencies that increase your bottom line. For more information and additional resources on how to bring our expertise through your front door, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.